We need to know exactly where we're touching, that way we can just chop that off and then go from there. So let's get started.
Guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find.
Hey, welcome back to another vlog. Today we're gonna go ahead and just get right into it. So right now we have it all on the jack stands, and we're gonna go ahead and just get the front wheel mounted, lower it on the floor, and then turn the wheel, because right now it's rubbing on everything. We need to know exactly where we're touching, that way we can just chop that off and then go from there. So let's get started. Alright, here's a little update. So I took off the screw here to loosen this up, and I'm trying to take this off right here because it is touching every time I turn the wheel. So instead of just cutting it off, I'm gonna just take off the fender and then just get it from that side, because I can't reach it from over here. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and cut from right where his finger is all the way up, because that other bolt is like holding the headlights together and keeping it from moving, so we don't want to touch that. So we're gonna just cut from that half point all the way up, since it is touching and hitting the tire. So here we go. Wish us luck. Let's do this. Let's go. Problem. Pretty much when I turn the wheel to the left, this part goes in, hitting my stock side skirt. So we need to cut this. However, if it's hitting this too, the aftermarket side skirt. So we're kind of in a jam, because if we cut this, that means we got to cut this.
But then it won't look flush.
So we're just gonna go ahead and cut the stock side skirt, and then from there just make adjustments so it can fit properly. But I'll give you guys an update in just a second. So this side is all complete. We already cut everything. So as you can see, all the damage here, bam, 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 everything's cut. We accidentally cut this thinking that, because it touches right now. However, we didn't think about, because the car is going to be even lower than what it is right now. So when this gets lower, it's not going to be hitting from the bottom. But oh well, we already cut it, so can't really cry about it now. Alright, we are finished with the driver's side over here. We are 1/4 done with cutting, but in my opinion the fronts are going to be way easier than the rears. So we still got lots to come, lots of bumps, lots of hiccups, but I'm pretty stoked. We're pretty stoked that we got pretty much 1/4 done. And then right now we're going to work on the driver's side, get that all chopped up, and then from there we're going to call it a night. All right, so it is about 7:45 right now, so it's getting pretty late. So it shouldn't take us too long. I would say probably about 30 minutes to like 45 minutes tops to cut the driver's side, the passenger side, because we both got work tomorrow, so we're gonna get this thing done. So we're gonna go ahead and get the front on jacks. That way we can, or actually that way he can cut a lot easier and just get all those angles he needs to do so we can do everything right. All right, Riaz, how do you feel right now?
Dusty, sweaty. I have a lot of mosquito bites, but I feel really good about how this came out, man. I mean, we had some issues with the sides over here and over there, but I mean, we cleared everything. We got them on. We can turn both ways, and we're good. We're clear to go. We got both sides of the front done, so that's 50% of the cutting. We just have just the back, and we'll be ready to roll, man. I can't wait. I can't wait. It's looking crazy.
All right, guys, we are done. The car looks amazing. It is so wide. It is literally beefy, like beefy galore. Right now, it's just a monster truck. It's just a little cute monster truck right now. But once we get the bags installed and finish cutting the rears, it's just gonna look and just fit so perfectly. I can't wait. I'm literally super excited right now. Like, look how beefy that is. It is like, it's pushed out so far. And then when you put the kit on, the fender part, it just fits so perfectly. Alright guys, so tonight I'm going to go ahead and order those extended studs for the rears. That way I can go ahead and get those wheels mounted on, see exactly where we have to cut, and then go from there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys had a great time, just like we did. Y'all take care.